Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we are looking at a little bit of the future and talking about something that a few of you have been interested in me talking about also. So, of course, the famous Microsoft layoffs that we talked in a video and talking about, looking at the future. But with new numbers that Microsoft has released today, we have, of course, a better picture of why the layoffs have happened and also looking into their future. First, on the what is the most probably what relates to this channel the most, PC sales and Windows licensing in the next year. And this is where numbers hurt. Microsoft has announced and has told everybody that the Windows, basically the Windows licensing and the PC sales, but particularly the Windows licensing, they are predicting a drop year over year of 35%. That tells you that the PC market is really going into a slowdown and a big one. And what Satya Nadella has said is that technically the PC market is back to pre-pandemic levels. So we talked about the slowdown in PC sales. We kind of, know that the slowdown in PC sales is kind of normal. A lot of people purchased these computers because they needed to work from home. They realized that their PC was obsolete and needed something new. Created a huge demand, made the PC sales really, really high. But now people are going back to work. Things are slowly coming back to what is a new normal, but more normal than it was. And it shows on the PC sales. People don't need computers. And so even though the PC sales were pretty good, still compared to pre-pandemic, what they expect is that that's going to really be back to pre-pandemic levels of declining, PC sales year over year for the next year and the next few years. And this also will impact Windows 11. So if we think that most people get a new Windows through a new PC, we are actually slowing down the growth of Windows 11. So the fact that Microsoft put such a high bar for the minimum requirements, added to the fact that PC sales are going slow, and that also means that the Windows 11 operating system will probably not be selling as much. So these numbers this year, I don't expect Windows 11 to climb much. I expect Windows 10 to pretty much stagnate and be pretty much. And I don't think by the end of this year that Windows 10's decline will be that much. Once again, creating a very weird opportunity here, a very weird moment that has never been seen within Windows. For the rest, of course, they're pretty much under pressure on every front, even the cloud services, although growing and although still, good. Everywhere it's showing that Microsoft is going to need to relax its spending, and explains, the layoffs a little more with the future ahead. The other place where it hurts bad is the Surface devices, which are really in a big drop, which is normal. If you think about PC sales going down, it's going to hurt the PC sales for Microsoft itself with its own devices. So this is going to be an interesting year once again to look at the growth of Windows 11, to see how much of a decline really Windows 10 will have. We're in a interesting moment here as we're moving ahead, and a couple of years from now, we'll have a few things happening that, possibly new Windows, the end of Windows 10, all of that. How is it going to actually integrate and happen? Slowing down the PC sales. Of course, that means slowing down of Windows licenses sold, making less people buy Windows 11 and buy PCs with new Windows. So interesting, but that also adds to the explanation of what was announced last week with the layoffs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.